Hello everyone, I am Soumya, 3rd BA English. I am going to present the novel Siddhartha by Hermann Hesse. About the author, Hermann Hesse was a German born Swiss poet, novelist, and painter. He was born in 1877 in Germany. His best known work include Demion, Steppenwolf, Siddhartha, and the Glass Bead Game, each of which explore an individual search for authenticity, self knowledge, and spirituality. In 1946, he received the Nobel Prize in Literature. Main character of this novel, Siddhartha, the protagonist, Govinda, close friend of Siddhartha and follower of Gautama. Siddhartha's father, a Brahmin who was unable to satisfy Siddhartha's quest for enlightenment. The Samanas, traveling aesthete who tell Siddhartha that deprivation leads to enlightenment. Gautama, the Buddha whose teaching are rejected but whose power of self-experience and self-wisdom is completely prized by Siddhartha. Kamala, a courtesan and Siddhartha's sensual mentor, mother of his child, young Siddhartha. Kamaswami, a merchant who instructs Siddhartha on business. Vasudeva, an enlightenment ferryman and spiritual guide of Siddhartha. Young Siddhartha, son of Siddhartha and Kamala, lives with Siddhartha for a time yet runs away to Adan. Summary of Siddhartha. Siddhartha is a novel published in 1922 and written by the German writer Hermann Hesse. The novel was originally written in German but then released in an English translation in 1951. Siddhartha was written after Hesse took a trip to India and became fascinated with the world of Eastern mysticism. It is a short lyric story of a father-son relationship based on the early life of Gautama the Buddha. Since its release, the book has garnered much critical acclaim and been adapted into two different films, the last of which was a surrealist take in 1971. Reference to the book are still present in everyday culture as has been referenced in many songs and TV shows as recently as 2014. Its enduring message of peace and enlightenment still strike a chord with 21st century culture. The novel is about the lifelong search for enlightenment by a man named Siddhartha. Siddhartha lives in ancient India before the birth of Christ and during the life of Gautama Buddha. As a young man, Siddhartha leaves his father's Brahmin monastery, a cheek self-discovery with a sect of priests called the Samanas. Soon learning that he does not wish to be a Samana, Siddhartha and his best friend Govinda travel to a nearby city to meet the Buddha Gautama. Govinda decides to join the Buddha as a disciple, but Siddhartha chooses not to. He travels alone to a city, meeting a kind ferryman on the way. On Siddhartha's first day in the city, he meets a beautiful courtesan named Kamala and the two begin a relationship. Siddhartha obtains a job from a merchant and over the year becomes a rich man. However, he becomes disillusioned with his life and feels that it is hedonistic. He soon leaves town with no warning and meets with the ferryman again. Siddhartha becomes a ferryman himself until one day Kamala finds him by accident and informs him that the young boy that she has with her is his son. Kamala soon dies and Siddhartha takes to raising his son. But when the boy runs away back to the city, Siddhartha realizes that he must let the boy live his own life. He achieves enlightenment after realizing this and lives out the rest of his life as a wise sage.